Hey friends, today I'll show you how to use digital stickers in your planner. For this tutorial, I'm using Goodnotes, but this works for any other app as well. The principles are still gonna stay the same. To get started, first we need to import the stickers into the app. You can do this by saving the files directly to your iPad, or you can import from Google Drive. Stickers come in several different formats. They can come as a sticker sheet, which is usually a PNG image, like this one. They can also come as a Goodnotes file. You can recognize this file by its name because it always ends with .goodnotes. The Goodnotes files are very convenient because they come pre-cropped, and they look something like this when you import them. You can select the stickers and move them around without needing to crop it or resize it. Here's how to import a Goodnotes file. Open the Google Drive folder, tap on the three dots, select Open In, and select Open in Goodnotes. I recommend importing as a new document. There you have it. Now we can easily move the stickers into our planner. Let me show you how that works. I recommend opening a split screen. It makes it easy for you to move the stickers directly onto your planner pages. So let's select this one. We press and hold and move it into the other window. Let's do another one. Very cool and super easy to do. If you don't have a Goodnotes file, you're likely to have a sticker sheet. Let me show you how that works. This time, you're going to go into Google Drive and find your stickers. This time, tap on the three dots, click on Send a Copy, and save the image to your gallery. Now we can import. It's important to import the stickers as an image directly onto the planner page. But as you can see, they are not pre-cropped, but that's not a big deal. Just tap, select crop, and you can use the rectangle or the freehand crop. I'm going to use the freehand. Just trace around the sticker, click done, and there you have it. Now you have a single sticker ready to use. If you want, you can open a new file and do this for every single sticker so that you have a pre-cropped sticker sheet inside of your documents. There is also another form that your stickers can come in. They can be pre-cropped PNGs. These usually come in a separate folder with the individual images. For example, let's save this Monstera plant. We are going to send a copy and save the image to our gallery, same as we did for the sticker sheet. Then go into your planner and repeat. Just this time, we don't have to crop the stickers. It's already pre-cropped for you. And there you have it. That's everything you need to know about using stickers in Goodnotes. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find all of the things that I used in this video in the video description. See you next time. Bye!